tornado warning may be issued. Report hail, downed trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bryan County in southeast Georgia, western Chatham County in southeast Georgia, south central Effingham County in southeast Georgia, extreme southeastern Evans County in southeast Georgia, northern Liberty County in southeast Georgia, southwestern Jasper County in southeast South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms along the line extending from Interstate 16/Interstate 95 interchange to 11 miles west of Ellabelle, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Prepare now for the following hazards: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, half-dollar size hail. Some locations in the warning include Interstate 16/Interstate 95 interchange, Pooler, Garden City, Flemington, Windsor Forest, White Bluff, Richmond Hill. Report hail, downed trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm